Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trezor Suite, your essential tool for managing digital assets securely. First, ensure you download the official Trezor Suite application from the genuine Trezor website to protect against malicious software. This desktop application provides a secure and intuitive interface, allowing you to easily manage your cryptocurrencies and interact with your Trezor hardware wallet. It's designed for both new and experienced users, making digital asset management straightforward and safe. Once Trezor Suite is installed, connect your Trezor device to your computer with the USB cable. The software will guide you through the initial setup process, which includes installing the latest firmware. You'll then create a unique PIN, a crucial security measure for daily use. Most importantly, you must carefully write down your 24-word recovery seed on the provided recovery sheet and store it in a safe, private location. This seed is your ultimate backup. With your Trezor device set up, managing your crypto assets is simple. In Trezor Suite, head to the Accounts section to see all your supported cryptocurrency balances. To receive funds, select the Receive tab and generate a new address. Always verify this address on your Trezor screen. When sending, input the recipient's address and the amount, then confirm the transaction details on your Trezor device before finalizing. This two-step verification adds an extra layer of security. Trezor Suite offers more than just basic transactions. For enhanced privacy, consider using features like CoinJoin, which mixes your transactions with others. Another powerful security option is the passphrase feature, creating a hidden wallet that requires an extra word or phrase to access. Remember to regularly update both your Trezor Suite application and your device's firmware to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. Staying updated is key to maintaining optimal protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.